Good afternoon. This is call number 2005-44725 in the interest of Victor Smalley Jr. All parties in this matter, please raise your right hand. You solemnly swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God.
I do.
All right, sir. Please state your name and your relationship to the child.
My name is Victor Antoine Smalley. I am the father.
All right, and for the state,
Sade Parker, Your Honor.
Court will note that the mother is Wendy Garza. Ms. Garza was personally served on March 1st, 2021 at 10 a.m. at 14911 Sunset Creek Drive, Humble, Harris County, Texas. She's not filed an answer, is that correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
We'll proceed by default.
Thank you, Your Honor. Your Honor, the state would like to call Victor Anton Smalley.
Okay.
Mr. Smalley, can you state your full name for the record?
Victor Antoine Smalley.
Mr. Smalley, on the child support, the agreed child support review order for modification signed on April 30th, 2019, were you the person designated to pay child support?
Yes.
And at that time, your child support was in the amount of $510, correct?
Yes.
And you were also ordered to pay medical support in the amount of $140, correct?
Yes.
And Mr. Smalley, are you currently employed?
Yes.
And how much do you get? Are you paid weekly, monthly?
I'm paid weekly on workers' comp.
And where are you employed?
Harris County.
And how much do you get per week in workman's comp?
$476.84.
And do you currently have private health insurance available at a reasonable cost for your son?
Yes.
And are you requesting that this court modify the other order to now say that you will carry the health insurance for your son instead of Ms. Garza carrying the health insurance?
Yes.
And how much does that health insurance cost?
The health insurance is one second. The health insurance is $276.92 biweekly.
Is that for you and the child or just you? I mean, or just the child?
Oh, just a child? No, that's for me and the child.
Okay, so the amount of $174.99 would be the amount for just the child, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
And that also, that health plan covers dental, correct?
Yes.
And there's no additional cost for the dental, correct?
No, there's no additional.
And you're requesting that that no medical support be ordered because you're going to cover the health insurance, correct?
Yes.
And you're also requesting that based on your current income, that your child support be modified to $285, correct?
Yes.
And you're requesting that the new child support and medical support amount begin on May 1st, 2021, correct?
Yes.
When the other order was signed in 2019, were you working at Harris County then?
No.
Where were you working then?
Target Resources.
Has there been a change in your income since you became employed at Harris County?
Yes.
Has your income, has it gone up or down?
Down.
And you're requesting this modification because your income has, your income has changed, correct?
Yes.
And you were making more in the past, but now you're not making as much, correct?
Yes.
Your Honor, at this time, I have no further questions for Mr. Smalley. I would like to call Mr. Barrera.
All right.
Mr. Barrera, can you please state your full name for the record?
Arnaldo Barrera,
And where are you employed?
the Office of Attorney General, Child Support Division,
And how long have you been employed there?
15 years.
And what is the nature and responsibilities and duty? What is the nature and your responsibilities and duties as a child support officer?
I conduct investigations on calculating child support and retroactive child support.
And have you received any sort of special training to calculate child support in compliance with the Texas Family Code?
Yes, I have.
Did you calculate child support in this manner?
Yes, I have.
And what were your calculations?
Based on his weekly earnings of $476.84, monthly gross is $2,066.31. After taxes and healthcare, net income is $1,627.38. Child support should be $285, beginning May 1st, 2021.
Was he also given credit for anything? Was he also given any credit for any other children or medical?
Yes.
Or
He was given credit for the 174 in medical, and also child support was based on one additional child, so 17.5%.
and Mr. Smalley did provide you got this information based off pay stubs that he provided you, correct?
Yes.
That is correct.
And what did you say the current child support amount should be?
$285
And
per month.
and what would the current medical support be?
The credit for medical is $174.99 based on the information that he provided as to the insurance cost for everybody on the order. It was prorated per person.
Thank you, Your Honor. I have no further questions for this witness.
Sir, do you have any questions for Mr. Barrera?
No, sir. No, Your
All
Honor.
right. All right. The court will approve the order submitted. Thank you.
Thank you.